Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare to GoPro Hero 13 and Insta360 Ace Pro. The GoPro Hero 13 and Insta360 Ace Pro are the high-quality action cameras, but they cater to different types of users and filming needs. The GoPro Hero 13 is known for its rugged design and excellent video quality, making it ideal for capturing action-packed moments. It features advanced stabilization technology, allowing for smooth footage even in challenging conditions. The Hero 13 typically offers 4K video recording at high frame rates, along with the various shooting modes and improved low-light performance. It also includes a user-friendly interface and variety of mounting options, making it versatile for different activities. On the other hand, the Insta360 Ace Pro is designed for users who want more immersive shooting experience. It features 360-degree video recording capabilities, allowing you to capture everything around you without needing to point the camera in a specific direction. The Ace Pro usually includes advanced editing features and software that make it easy to create dynamic content. While it may not match the GoPro Hero 13 in terms of ruggedness or traditional action camera features, it offers unique perspective that can enhance your storytelling. If you're looking for a reliable action camera with excellent stabilization and video quality, the GoPro Hero 13 is a strong choice. However, if you want the flexibility of 360-degree recording and creative editing options, the Insta360 Ace Pro may be the better option for your needs. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.